Welcome to my back garden, where I'm about to make just a quick update on the motovlog setup video I made a couple of days ago. You'll have to excuse the dog noise in the background, they're chasing something. Anywho, I bought this GoPro case. I randomly saw the ad for it on Instagram. It's from a company called Ulanzi, as you can see there. And as I'm sure you've possibly spotted by now already, just let me move around here. It has a built-in compartment in the bottom for the mic adapter. Bolts straight onto a standard GoPro adapter. Tidies up the whole thing nicely. Not only that, if I want to use it for other purposes that aren't motovlog related, I can actually stick my Rode video mic onto the top of that, have it plugged into the side of the GoPro, and away you go. You can see the USB-C coming out the side there and going into the side of the GoPro. Very, very solidly constructed piece of kit. I'm very surprised. It was quite cheap. I can't remember exactly what I paid for it. I will put it on the screen here, and I will put a link to it in the description if any of you are interested. Does save you having to put a bulky GoPro mic adapter onto the side of your helmet somewhere. Another advantage as well is that it raises the whole thing up by a couple of centimeters, meaning that when I'm wearing my helmet I can now actually see the record button, which will make switching it on and off while riding a hell of a lot easier too. So there you go, the Ulanzi GoPro case with built-in mic adapter holder. So as I said, link is in the description if you wish to buy one of these. It works with every GoPro after the 5, so if you have a 4 or older, it won't fit in this, just FYI. Anyway folks, good luck. I'll be recording an actual motovlog tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Oh God.